Hi, this is Victor Endrino. Let's send a WhatsApp message from my smartwatch. I'm sending something to my second line here, to my second smartphone. And I will send 1, 2, 3, 4, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Mac, here we got it. Look here. Oops. 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. It works. Hi. And it sends me, hey, here's the notification. And if you want, you can open app. Here it says open app, and it will open the app. And you can find it here. And you can go to any chat you have on your main smartphone, because you will have the same WhatsApp here, because it works. The smartwatch works as a linked device, multi-device WhatsApp here. And now I will show you how you can do it and how you can install a full WhatsApp here. Excuse my English, because I'm from Barcelona and I'm Spanish, and my language, it's not English, it's Catalan or Spanish, but I hope you'll understand me. And here I will guide you step by step through the process. So let's start. Okay, here we have a clean installation of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. You don't need to have a clean installation, but that's what my situation is now. So the first we have to do is first make sure your cell phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the smartwatch. If it's not, you won't be able to install the APK file into the watch. What I did here is switching the Bluetooth off, so we're only working on Wi-Fi, and you see, and the remote connection as well. It's okay, we can do it. And then we're going to activate and unveil the developer mode. So we go to the smartwatch info about the watch. It's in Spanish, but I will translate it. Then we go to the software info, and then we have to tap a few times here over software version. Okay, we have activated the developer mode. You can see it here. So you go back and you have here the developer options. When you touch on the developer options, you have to do two things. First, ADB debugging. Okay, this is ADB debugging. You open it. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. And then Wi-Fi debug. And here you will see. If you don't see it, you just go back, get out of the settings, and go back in, and you will see it. You will see here an IP address. Just remember that you can find here 192.168.0.109. Okay, colon 5555. Okay, forget the 5555 because it's always the same. It's always 55. Okay, so once we have opened the Wi-Fi debugging, let's go to the smartphone, because I'll tell you where to get the APK, the WhatsApp APK from. You can download it from the WhatsApp website, but if you don't know where to find it, you can go to this. It's one of my groups, and then you go here to APK Archivos APK files, and here you will see a list of updated APKs able to download. So you will see here WhatsApp Redondo. It means round WhatsApp, because there's a square version, but the square version is a modification. It's a mod. So the round one is the official one. So, and you can touch here, and it will take you to a message. Then you can download the message, download the file here. Okay, it's downloaded, and now here you have to save on downloads. Okay, archivo guardado en descargas means the file is saved on the downloads folder. Okay, how do we install the APK into the watch? Okay, we will use an app called Bugjagger. Okay, it's like this, Bugjagger. If we search it, you will find it, Bugjagger mobile ADB whatever. And here, this is Bugjagger. Bugjagger is the app to connect to the watch. Okay, and that's what we'll do now. Okay, you see here, and to connect, let's go to this, to this section. Okay, forget. This is the free version. There's a premium version with no ads. Let's connect now. How to connect with this plug here? You hit here, touch here, and you will connect to the IP. What was the IP that I had to insert here? You see the 5555 is already there. Okay, let's go to the developer options. And the developer options, you will see the Wi-Fi debug 192.168.0.109. This is my address. Your address will be another one, a different one, but the important thing is that you have to copy it exactly like this, with no blank spaces at the end, with no blank spaces at the beginning, okay? As so. So, let's connect. Allow debugging? Yes, and you have to say always allow from this computer, okay? Always. Because for something I'll tell you, I forgot to mention something very, very important. Just deactivate any safety pin code, any measure that you have on your watch. Now we are connected. You see here that it says it's connected. Here it appears my IP. Okay, then what we'll have to do is, and in this section of Bugjagger, not here, come on. Not here. Okay, here you will see, after going out and going back, here you see the list of all the files and the apps installed here. Then, once you're here at the packages section, let's go to this plus sign to add a new APK. Select APK, and then we'll go to select the APK. This is on downloads in the subfolder Telegram. On the subfolder Telegram, I think it's this one. Come WhatsApp blah 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 223. This is the most updated now, but maybe when you see this video you will find another version, another release of WhatsApp. But anyways, just select this one. And now it's installing. Just let it do. It's a 40 something or 50 megabyte file, so it will take long. Don't do anything. Don't take your watch off. If you have a pin code, activate it. But my recommendation is disable your pin code or any other safety measure. Oh, okay. Package installed. Now it's installed here, so we should be able to find WhatsApp here. Okay? Where is it? Hey, here it is. Now we'll open it, and it will be like a new WhatsApp. Welcome to WhatsApp. Select your language to begin. Okay, in my case it will be Spanish. Once you see this, you have to scroll down, and here it will say accept and continue. Once we accept and continue, now it will ask you for your phone number. Don't enter here your phone number. If you enter here your phone number, you will lose your WhatsApp on the cell phone, on the smartphone. No, forget it. Now we have to do something. This is where Backjagger comes back into action. We will have to reduce the pixel density so the watch understands it's a different device. It's very easy. Why is it asking me for a phone number? Because this is an LTE version, a 4G version with cellular line inside. So it understands it's another smartphone, but we will do something to make it understand it's a different device. It's not a smartphone, so we will show us a QR code as if we were connecting through a computer or a tablet. Okay, we are here at commands. We'll have to go down here to enter a command. What's the command? Command is WM density 90, okay? Density 90. If it doesn't work, try with another one, okay? Try with 70, try with 80, try with 120, okay? Density 90. What happened here? The density now is changing, as you can see. Look! Because the pixel density now is shorter. Here down here is the WhatsApp. Let's open WhatsApp. Let's see if we can. Okay, we found the WhatsApp here with 90 the pixel density as at 90. Accept and continue, and look, here we have this QR code. This QR code is the code we have to read with our WhatsApp. And let's try, let's see. Ta-chan! Starting session. Okay. What does it say here? Loading chats. It's loading chats, but now we have to go back to the pixel density if you don't want to see the app icons so small. So let's go back to Backjagger, and we will have to enter here WM density reset. WM density reset. Now we can go back. Hey, now they are bigger. I don't know, it looks... Is it connected? Because, oh man. No device selected, that's why it doesn't, it doesn't do. Okay, let's connect back. If you don't say always allow debugging, you would see a letter here ask you for permission, and you wouldn't be able, as the density is so small, you wouldn't be able to hit yes, and you would have a problem. But now it's always allowing me connect. It's connected. Here it said it was connected, so we can fail to connect, but it's a bug. It says fail to connect, but it's actually connected. So let's go back and say WM density reset, and we reset it. You see, the density is reset. Now we have a full WhatsApp here. You can write, you can send voice notes, you can do anything. See, you will here. There's a voice note here. We can download it. Allow WhatsApp access to your files, of course. We will have to grant permissions. And now, and we can send anything, my second line, and we can, we can write anything, and now we can send. And we can send voice notes. Okay, grant permission. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have my second line here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is already sent. Okay? It's pretty functional. It works. You're welcome.